Good morning, market snipers. Welcome back. This is Jesse getting started right at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right on the dot as usual. That was the 10-second countdown just to get things going, get the blood flowing a little bit. Bitcoin is not $10,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not $1 million Bitcoin, right? You're going to hear a lot of that, especially if Bitcoin makes a new all-time high. You're going to hear about the Bitcoin $1 million again and again and again. People are going to get ultra bullish. Just like on this bottom wick down here at 53,450, we did have another target at $52,000, but it didn't get hit, right? It didn't get hit. It was the overall confluence area that the target box did get hit. Scenario 2 that we laid out, 5 or 6 weeks ago. And so we got a lot to cover today, but Bitcoin, $66,000 on the live stream. No, it's not $1 million Bitcoin. And no, it's not $10,000 Bitcoin or Bitcoin going to zero. It's somewhere in between, right? Somewhere in between. So we'll dive into it. If you're new to the live stream, I've got to get situated over here. If you're new to the live stream, awesome. Welcome. If you're returning, even better. The first half of the live stream, we'll cover Bitcoin, the altcoins. As you can see on my screen right there, kind of go down the list. We'll check in on the indices. The NASDAQ continues to correct. When it was at like 20,600, if 20,100 doesn't hold, then I could see 19,100. We don't know if it's going to go down there or not, but I could definitely see it coming back there. It may take some time to play out, but what else? What else? Bitcoin mining stocks are green again today, so we'll cover all of that in the second half of the live stream. Put in your chart requests. It's Friday. It's TGIF, and we've got my father-in-law coming in town to see the baby. Right, he hasn't seen the baby yet, so he's coming into town today. So probably won't spend too much time on the live stream. Got to get situated over here. I got to go for a run, get my little workout in first, all that stuff. So it's kind of weird because I work out after I shower. Like I shower first thing in the morning, right? Get the juices flowing and then work out afterwards. But it doesn't really make sense. I used to shower afterwards, but just timing with the baby and the live stream, stuff like that. I like to shower it helps me wake up. That's what I'm trying to say. What else? Yeah. Second half of the live stream, put in your chart request. Let me know the ticker symbol, if it's stock or crypto or not. Whatever it is, just let me know all the details so we can search for it quickly. And let's get warmed up. Let's get warmed up over here. Let's get warmed up. Let's see. This is what we're going to do, right? Smash that like button, hit the repost button, and throw in a quick comment over here. Boom. 5 seconds flat. 5 seconds flat. So if we could all do that, that would be awesome. Warm up those fingers over there. Hit the like button, hit the repost button, and do the comments. I don't need to tell the YouTubers that because the YouTubers are much better at smashing the like button. They're much better at sharing everything. So we just need to keep working on Twitter X app folk. Twitter X app folk, right? Paulo Hayes, boom, fire. Yep, posted that one. Bitcoin continues to track the Apple fractal. Will it continue to do so? If so, then we could see price make a new all-time high. Then we'd be out of the woods, right? I've been saying we're not out of the woods for 3 months now. Hit 80,000 and even possibly $90,000 plus all in August. We don't know. Posted this in the Discord as well. I've been posting this chart in the Discord with all the details, of course. What else? Yep. Okay, let's do it. Let's put on the drawings and stuff. We'll take a look at it, and then we'll get right into it and get rocking and rolling here this morning. So put the eyes over here like that. Switch it over to line, right? Actually, on Tuesday the 16th or the 5th, Monday the 15th, I can't remember. One of the two said, what if it kind of does this little pattern over here and then takes off to the upside? It pretty much did, right? It pretty much did. And it was at a key target area of resistance right here. So if it flips that, you can see it make that next move up, come back down. Back test is another key target area of resistance. And then challenge new all-time highs over here in August, and then maybe make new all-time high in August. It's crazy if it continues to follow the Apple fractal that we've been watching for what, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, I don't know, early June, right? Early June. I can't remember. I'd have to go back to the live streams when I started covering it, when I was creating the fractal, copying it. And what I did was I went back and updated the fractal because I had it only go to this point, right, at 83,800. And then Apple came back down, and then now it's all the way up here, right? So it's possible it continues to follow it all the way up. That would be insane. We'd be seeing Bitcoin not only making new all-time highs, we'd be seeing it $80,000, $90,000 all the way in August. Woo-wee. What a good time it is to be a market sniper. So we'll continue to watch it. We've been watching it. We've been covering it for about 6 weeks, the Apple fractal. If anyone knows in the comments when we started watching it on the live stream and covering it, that'd be kind of cool. Just let me know if it was 6 weeks, 7 weeks, whatever it was. I don't think it's been 2 or 3 months, but I think it's been 6 to 7 weeks that we've been covering it on the live stream, right? This peak over here, this low, this peak, this low over here, this low over here, this peak over here, this peak over here, and then it was tracking it very, very closely, very, very closely, very similar. Another peak over here, another bottom, and then there was even bullish divergence, similar with Apple. There's bullish divergence, and then Apple gapped up. The great thing about Bitcoin is it doesn't gap up on you. Bitcoin futures does, and it did a little bit, but it didn't gap up. We watched it play out in real time. Boom, what a breakout. We're posting it all over it in the Discord. The breakout here, 59,450 after the bullish divergence. Covered it the entire way down. Covered the bullish divergence. Covered the reversal candle, I believe. Yeah, bullish divergence, reverse candle, even a little bit more bullish divergence, then started to flip back around, candle closed back above the trending dots, and away we go. away we go. That's horse racing over there. And it's off to the races, right? So Bitcoin, $66,000 Bitcoin. What was it on when the reverse candle was in, or pending reverse candle on July 6th? I posted, we're at least going to see a bounce on Bitcoin and the altcoins. I posted that over there on the Twitter X app. We had a pending reverse candle, followed by there was bullish divergence, followed by a pending reverse. Time out. Going too fast, right? I get all pumped up. There was bullish divergence, followed by a pending reversal candle on July 6th. And so I posted over on the Twitter X app. So if you're not following me over there, definitely follow me over there. Been on the right side of the trade since I started posting these early 2021. So was that 3.5 years? At least a Bitcoin bounce and at least an altcoin bounce is coming, right? That's what I posted. And here we are, right? Here we are. That was back when it was around, anywhere from $57,000 to $58,000. And then takes a little bit of time for the ship to get turned around. And then boom, at least it bounces here. Almost $9,000, $10,000 Bitcoin later, right? So that's Bitcoin still tracking the Apple fractal. Still 6-7 weeks later. But it's really been tracking it. I've only been covering it since then, but it's really been tracking it since middle of March. So 4 months it's been tracking the Apple fractal. Not exactly, but very, very, very similar. Very similar. So that's Bitcoin. Ethereum. Right? Here's Ethereum. Also had reverse candles breaking out back over here on the very aggressive downward trend line. Broke this one with a buy signal. And then you got one more to go, right? One more to go. Get rid of those. Trending dots are starting or could be breaking out of this downward trend line in the very near future. Found support at key target 4. We've covered all this. Solana breaking on this last longer term, this last downward trend line over here. Broke this one over here after the bullish divergence. Had that buy signal breaking out of this more aggressive one, and is now breaking out of, I don't know why I drew it so far back, but it's kind of misleading. That's a longer term downward trend line. Let's redraw it. I probably had it on log or something at some point. There you go. Let's redraw it. Let's redraw it. Let's see. Yeah, I like it like that. There we go. There we go. So Solana, bullish divergence over here, and then starting to break out. This was also on July 6th, right after the bullish divergence. That's what I was talking about in the altcoins as well. Sand has another pending buy signal. Bullish divergence, reverse candle on July 6th. So I was covering Bitcoin and altcoins over there that at least a bounce is incoming. Here we come. Here we come. We set the targets already. The targets have already been set. Breaking out of this longer term downward trend line. As you can see, bullish divergence followed by a reverse candle. Breaking out as we speak. Pending buy signal, right? The probabilities are increasing that we're going to hit at least target 1. We hit target 1, then the probabilities increase. We hit target 2, and so on and so on and so on. So there you go. Crypto died again, right? Crypto died again. Bullish divergence, breaking out on near, then the buy signal, and here we are. It's hit 3 out of the 4 targets so far. Filecoin, similar thoughts to Sand. Reverse the candle. Mana, similar thoughts to Sand. Bullish divergence followed by reverse candle, breaking back above. Another pending buy signal. Rari, another pending buy signal. Algo, still bullish over there, right? Still bullish. It was kind of letting the trending dots catch up. Cardano, similar thoughts. Dot, similar thoughts. AVAX, similar thoughts. Chainlink, similar thoughts. Woo-wee. There we go. There we go. On this fantastic Friday TGIF. There we go. Like a boss. Like a sniper boss over there. Let's switch gears to the NASDAQ indices, right? We talked about it. We covered it. Bearish divergence followed by a reverse candle. Looks like a lower high and could close below 19,750. It has not yet. If so, that puts in a lower low, takes out this pivot point, and then we can see lower prices over here. Pretty much already filled this gap for the most part already. Wasn't a large gap, but it's very close to filling that gap already. Possibly hit target 2, possibly hit target 3. We don't know about target 4 or anything like that. Probably could get a bounce here as well, put in a lower high, and then we'll see if it comes in for lower prices. NASDAQ is still bearish. Bearish divergence followed by reverse candle. We cover this in real time. Good morning, Blue Diesel. Welcome back. Good to see you back on here. Bearish divergence followed by a reverse candle over here. We talked about it in real time. We covered the bearish divergence on Tuesday. We covered the pending reverse candle on Wednesday. Thursday, we covered that it was breaking down with a candle close below the trending dots. And here we are getting closer and closer to a possible sell signal. There was already a RSI sell signal, already a MACD bearish crossover. Lawrence, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good to see everyone on here. Smashing that like button, helping me, help you, help me. Let's keep going. That's SP500. Dow Jones, reverse candle, coming back for trending dots. This is a massive short squeeze to the top. Expect a little bit of pullback along the way. Same thing with the Russell. The dollar still currently bearish, but catching a bounce over there. Did take out this pivot low, right? So you got a bearish divergence, lower high, lower low confirmed, right? So we'll see if it catches a bounce. and then we'll see what happens after that. But the dollar is still currently bearish on the daily chart, still bearish on the weekly chart, right? 200-week moving average has not been retested for a very, very, very long time. Maybe all the way back to February 2022. Maybe it's coming back, right? Maybe it's going to come back down to the 200-week moving average. It's possible. We don't know for sure, right? You could probably put on another trend line over here like that. Maybe the 200-week moving average kind of catches up to it, kind of just consolidates downward and sideways, right? Hit 3 of the 4 targets to the upside. We'll just put on some random trend lines. There you go. Right? Some random trend lines. There you go. Let's see. All right, that's the dollar. Good talk, Jesse. Good talk. Pending buy signal on the VIX weekly chart, right? Pending buy signal on the VIX weekly chart. Daily chart is ultra bullish. Wow, what a move that was today. Holy moly guacamole. Came all the way down. I didn't even see this before. Came all the way down, $10.63. Probably wiped out everybody who was trading it. And then flipped right back around. It's the volatility of the SP 500. Probably wiped out stop losses like crazy. Did it gap down? Is that what happened? Did it gap down? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Let's see. That's interesting. No, yeah, that was overnight, right? So overnight, just murder you while you're sleeping. Oh my god, that's brutal. That's brutal. Fill that gap, right? Fill that gap. Fill that gap. Oh, they did it all while you're sleeping. That's one issue with the stop losses, right? If you have stop losses. All right, let's get back to it. Ultra bullish on the daily chart. Still, right? Coming up, hitting targets. Let's switch over the Magnificent Seven real quick. Where are we at? Nvidia continues to break down. Oh, I mean, it's holding as of right now, but it's still currently bearish on the daily chart. They have that gap at $96. Meta, still currently bearish on the daily chart. Amazon, same thing. Microsoft, Tesla, MACD bearish crossover. Could be a lower high. Come back over for retracement, right? Already had an RSI sell signal, was overbought. Did not have bearish divergence on it. Apple, well, there's the fractal. There's the fractal that I pulled. Boom. Bearish divergence followed by a lower high over here on Apple. Reverse the candle and bullish and bearish divergence. So maybe Apple's going to be coming in for a little bit of a correction. So maybe Bitcoin takes off to the upside, puts in bearish divergence, similar to Apple, just like Apple put in bullish divergence down here, similar to Bitcoin just did, and then broke out. So we could be somewhere around in here on Bitcoin. So maybe over the next few weeks, 2 to 4 weeks before possibly Bitcoin's making new all-time highs, similar to Apple. And then maybe there's bearish divergence on Bitcoin as well, comes down for a correction. And we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. We don't expect it to play out similar to Apple forever, right? So at some point, we'll see what happens. But Google breaking down, right? Breaking down bearish divergence followed by reverse candle, right? RSI sell signal way back here on Friday. MACD bearish crossover, then the sell signal, candle close back below, trending dots, trending down, all that stuff. Get gaps down there. What else? Bitcoin mining stocks, where you at? Hut, still currently bullish. Riot, still currently bullish. Bitfarm, Marathon Digital, CLSK, Iris Energy, still currently bearish, but maybe it's finding bottom. We don't know. It's way too early to call it. But there are targets to the downside, obviously. We're going to make it. Had bearish divergence followed by a reversed candle. So it could be clear. It's possible it's cleared already, the divergence. Reverse candle on Cypher Mining, MIGI, starting to break above downward. I'm sorry, starting to break above target 1. Breaking news. MIGI has not hit target 2 yet. MIGI has been battling target 1. MIGI could be closing back above target 1, and the probabilities would be increasing that target 2 is going to hit, then possibly target 3, then possibly target 4. So MIGI up 8.5%. Love to see it. Love to see it. Come on. Do it. I dare you, right? Let's go. Come on. Come on, MIGI. Let's go. Pending buy signal on the weekly chart again, right? Battling. But this would be a weekly close today above this pivot point at $1.68. That is bullish. That puts in a higher high of this consolidation. You got a low, you got a higher low, you've got higher low down here, another higher low. This takes out this pivot point at $1.68, like I just said. So, oh man, I'm gonna start sneezing probably. Let's try to make it through it. 21 minutes. We're going hard and fast today. Woo-wee. MIGI. Shout out to Crypto Stu. He's been watching my live streams. He put some lunch money on this. He's like, you sold me on MIGI. I'm not selling anyone. This is obviously not financial advice. Obviously, this is educational purposes only, and hopefully find some entertainment along the way. But he was telling me, I think yesterday, the day before, that he put some lunch money on MIGI because I had sold him on it. Well, I'm not trying to sell anyone. I'm just showing you what I see on the charts. You got to make your own decisions in life. High bullish on the daily chart, coming in for that 4th target after the reverse candle, after the bearish engulfing candle, right? So there we go. Still bullish on the daily chart. Weekly chart is bullish, right? Don't fight the overall trend. What's Veritone doing? Yep, was breaking back down. It has sell signal. See if it puts in a higher low. Find support. Trending dots are still trending upward, right? Lemonade, ultra bullish. Could be cooling off, letting the trending dots catch up. Upstart had that reverse candle, but could just be cooling off to let the trending dots catch up. This is my own thoughts. Same thing with Labu. What else? What's Bitcoin dominance doing? What is Bitcoin dominance doing? Where is it? What else? What else? SoFi, Square, right? There it is. Found it. Is this a lower high? We don't know. It's starting to make a move back up, so maybe not, right? Maybe this wasn't a lower high. Is this a lower high? That's what I'm pointing out. It's based off the weekly chart, but maybe not. Maybe there's going to be additional bearish divergence on the weekly chart. We don't know yet. Way too early to call it, right? So there's bearish divergence on the weekly chart. Was this a lower high? If you get a candle close back above 55.31%, it's currently at 55.31%, right? So let's see. Let's get a little bit better. 55.36%, right? So you take out this pivot point over here at the weekly close at 55.34% ish, right? Whatever. That's not a higher low. So we don't know yet. We'll see. Bearish divergence, though. Just keep an eye on it. Bearish divergence. So we'll see. The week doesn't close till Sunday. What else? Rivian back into the trending dots. Gold came up and hit this longer term confluence target area over there, and now it's getting rejected, but currently holding support on the trending dots. We'll see. Silver breaking down, right? Silver's breaking down. Maybe it's leading the way over here. It was a lower high on silver. So we'll see how far the correction is on silver, right? We will see. Had bearish divergence, possible lower high. See if it takes out this pivot point over here at the lower low. If so, then how low could it go? Wolf, another Bitcoin mining stock. Quiet over here on the comments. Quiet. Shh. Shh. Quiet. It's quiet over here. Quiet on the views too. I guess people already checked out for the weekend. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Anything else jumps out of Bitcoin ETFs, right? Bitcoin ETFs. Let's see. Yep, bullish, bullish, bullish. They all look the same. ARKB, remember, hit 3 of the 4 targets to the downside. And if the ETFs go, Bitcoin goes, right? So there we go. Everyone wanted the institutions to be here. Be careful what you wish for. A lot of people thought Bitcoin was manipulated before by the whales. Imagine the new whales who run the stock market, who run trillions of dollars, or has trillions of dollars under management, right? Trillions upon trillions, and Bitcoin is barely, what was it? 1.4 trillion or something like that. I don't know. Let me see. Can't remember. I don't keep up on that. What is it? What is it? What is the market cap? Does it say? Average volume. That one doesn't say. That's weird. Sometimes it says it. Yeah, market cap $1.3 trillion, right? That's nothing. 1.3 trillion is nothing, because you think about it, you got BlackRock and Aladdin over there. Aladdin over there controlling like what, 10 or 11 trillion dollars under Aladdin, their robot. Controls like 10 or 11 trillion or something like that. Maybe it's a lot more now. I don't know. Like I said, I don't keep up with it. And you got Bitcoin at 1.3 trillion. Such a baby compared to Aladdin, right? Aladdin's running the show over there at BlackRock. What else? Just in a nutshell, what is your profit taking strategy? You have to get in recorded coaching on that one. I don't have time for that on the live streams, my man. Sorry. We have 60 plus hours of recorded coaching, so it's not really a nutshell. If the nutshell is buy low when things are getting oversold, and then there's reversal candles, divergences, right? And then a higher probability of reversal. Same thing when it's high. When it's FOMO, it's overbought, it's ultra bullish. There's bearish divergence, reversal candles, stuff like that. You sell high, right? Buy low, sell high. That's the nutshell. But yeah, we're not going to get into coaching on these live streams. Never. Couple things here or there I'll probably talk about or catch up, but I did deep dives over on the recorded coaching. I went all in 2022. Every single thought I could ever think of. The live coaching crew at the time, I don't do live coaching anymore. I stopped them after a few months because I'd have to charge them tens of thousands of dollars for my time is valuable, and they became my friends. So I said, either I have to make you free or I have to charge you tens of thousands of dollars. So I made the decision that they became free after a couple months, and then we stopped live coaching after that. So, woo-wee. Yep, that's it. I didn't want to charge them tens of thousands of dollars. But they're all recorded. All those sessions are recorded. They asked great questions, all that stuff. So that's it. You could still hear me talk and blabber for 60 plus hours. I don't pull any punches. I don't hold back whatsoever. I went all in on it. I gave it my all. And I only charged them $199 a month, right? I only charged them $199 a month. And I went all in for like 2 months, right? So, I mean, I went all in. There were some live coaching sessions that it was supposed to be Tuesdays and Thursdays, right? So Tuesdays and Thursdays for an hour. So 8 hours a month. for $199, and some of the sessions went 2 hours. I think one went 3 hours, right? I recorded maybe an hour, hour and a half of it. But the live coaching sessions went like 2, 3 hours. I mean, I went hard. I always want to outperform what I charge, right? And so there you go. What else? Solana. Woo wee. Sand. Double wooey. All right. I think that's about it. I don't see any chart requests. Wow, this will be the first time I've never seen chart requests. So I think we'll call it there right at 30 minutes. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I hope everyone has a good rest of your day. Get outside, get some of that natural vitamin D, go for a hike, get the blood flowing, get the heart pumping. I got to go for a run myself and then do some core workout, some planks, right? All the fun stuff. All the fun stuff. Squats. What else? Throw some punches with weights. Hit it hard. Throw some hard punches. That's about it. And then get prepped for the father-in-law. Be good time. So with that, hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're sniper in the markets as well. One trade at a time, swing trader. And with that, we are going to call it here. Have a good rest of the day, and we will see you on the next live stream, our 8th consecutive. All right. Have a good day.